Hello everyone, Mrs. Haw here again. Last week we talked about the feelings happy and sad. This week we're going to talk about more feelings with two more story cards. Let's take a look at this first one. This is Ethan. Ethan loves to read books. Ethan's friend Danny brought a new book to school. Would you like to read my new book? Danny asked. Ethan opened the book and looked at the picture. When he turned to the next page, and wow, part of the picture popped right up from the book. It was a pop-up book, and he didn't know it. What feelings is Ethan's face showing? You might be thinking happy, but it's more than happy. If you guessed surprised, you're right. Ethan is feeling surprised. How does Ethan's face show that he is surprised? Yep, we can see Ethan's mouth is open wide, his eyebrows are up, and his eyes are wide open. Looking at someone's face is one way to tell how he is feeling, just as we learned last week. Look at my face. Can you see that I am feeling surprised? Yeah, that's my surprise face. Well, another way to tell how someone is feeling is to focus your attention on what is happening. Think about what happened in this story. Yep, you're probably thinking he was looking at a new book for the first time and he didn't know it was a pop-up book. Part of one page popped up and it surprised him. Well, when you are surprised, you show that you did not know something was going to happen. Ethan didn't know that part of the picture would pop up in the book. So pretend you had a surprise. Maybe you got a new present or a new puppy. Show someone at home your surprise face. Great job. All right, so now you know two ways to tell how other people feel. You can look at their face for clues, and you can focus your attention on what is happening. So just like we did last week, we're going to sing the Happy and You Know It song with this new feeling. But it's a little bit different because we're thinking about what you see and what you might do when you have that feeling. So for a surprise, we're going to say, if you're surprised, make big eyes. And then what would you do? You might shout, wow, okay? If you're surprised and you know it, make big eyes. If you're surprised and you know it, make big eyes. If you're surprised and you know it, your face will surely show it. If you're surprised and you know it, make big eyes. If you're surprised and you know it, shout out wow, wow. If you're surprised and you know it, shout out wow, wow. If you're surprised and you know it, then your body surely shows it. If you're surprised and you know it, shout out wow, wow. All right, I'll see you guys in a few with just another feeling.